From my studies, I've learnt that safety is really important in maintaining a functional workplace that is safe for both farmers and employees, and it is really important to uphold safety protocols every day to ensure that there is no loss, personal or economic, to the business.
Some of the changes we've made on our farm to improve safety practices are simple day-to-day things, such as everyone sounds a horn before they move a tractor so that everyone's aware it's about to be moved and to be out of the way. Installing roll bars on quad bikes. When we employ a new person, we go through our company policy to start with, which is comprehensive, and then we have on the job by job specific training to make sure that they know how to do the job safely, and we also always say, if you're not sure, ask. So we use WhatsApp. We have multiple groups, and one of those is safety, team safety, and there's updates go into that as regular as needed. If there's an update to our policies, I put that straight in there, and I ask everybody to acknowledge that it's been read and accepted, and if there's any questions, to come back with those. We're also very fortunate to have a fully equipped workshop, so we do a lot of preventative maintenance so that everything's under control and safe.
Things that we do to reduce risk, it starts from the bottom as in an induction, so making sure that people have an understanding of the facility before they even walk in. Whenever there's new equipment in, we get properly trained in it. We've got like different language signs and things like that, and that's really important too. Before anyone gets into any sort of machinery, even the forklifts, there's a checklist. We use that few QR codes so they can check off so we can see what's happened, make sure everything's safe. Again, it's just like a self-reminder to keep people on board about what your priorities and values in your business. By you valuing their safety, I've seen that they tend to value their own safety a lot more also.
So we put in a number of different safety measures. For example, a lot of lifting equipment that we use, overhead cranes throughout the whole business, safety boots, safety glasses, high vis, just trying to make the place as safe as possible for people to work in. As far as the machines go themselves, we're very mindful of warning labels and stickers throughout the machine, making sure people know how to use the machines properly, putting these controls in terms that operators can easily understand is a big safety consideration.
My safety advice for any young person starting out farming is a hazardous industry. It's really up to you to make sure you're working safely because your environment is not perfectly safe.
Working together to instill consistent safety messages and processes in your business takes everyone being involved in that and caring about that. And if you do, it's really a much better workplace for you and for everyone else in it.